So welcome back guys. In this video I will tell you how to make an visiting or student card in MS Word. Here I make an sample of that identity or visiting card, so you can see it. Before starting the video I have requested to subscribe my channel please and like my videos. Thank you. So let's start the video. So first step is to open Microsoft Word. After open it, I will go to page layout, click on size and select more paper size or page size. So width I will select 3.5 and height I will select 2 inches. Click on margins and decrease the margins of top and bottom to 0.5 and click OK. So here is the standard size of identity or visiting card. So next step is to set up the margin. So margin can be adjusted in this way. So after adjusting the margins, I will select insert, go to shapes and select oval. After select it, I will press shift key and press it in this way, so you can see it. Go to shape fill and I will choose or go to more page colors and select your own required and go to outline and no outline. So I will select it and press Ctrl plus C. So again I will press Ctrl plus V. So here another copy of this one. I will select this color on format black and send it backward in this way. So after this I will select first one and press Ctrl plus C and next Ctrl plus V and send it to the backward on page layout in this way and adjust it in this way and go to format, select the color of this shape. I will go to this one, press OK. So you can see it. So after this I will go to insert and click on shapes and select oval and I will enter it. Sorry, Ctrl Z and I will readjust it in this way. So after this I will go to insert, click on shapes and select oval and press it with the help of shift key. So it will be look good. And after this I will go to format, shape fill with white and shape outline with this color and I will decrease the width of this in this way. And next step I will choose it and press Ctrl plus C and I will make copies of this one. I need 4 copies, as you can see it. In this way. So after it I will go to insert first I will choose file save as and select it Word 97 2003 template and press OK and select continue. After that I will go to symbol, click on more symbols and choose your required symbols, as I will choose these ones, so these are not selected. As these are now selected, and these are now selected. After it I will select this one, go to word art and select font with webdings and decrease the size, press bold and enter. OK, Ctrl Z, select it, go to insert, click on word art and decrease the size and select font, you can easily match it in this way. Second step is to select this one, go to insert, select word art and select font, decrease the size this way. Now your address, click on insert word art and select the font from these options, decrease the size, enter OK. Now fourth one, your cell number, so go to insert word art and select the font, so decrease this size in this way. After this I will select this one, wrap text and in front of text, and similarly select this and go to this one and similarly select this one and click in front of text. So I will choose it in this way and place it at the center of the symbol. Third one, similarly and fourth one, in this way. And first step, wrap text in front of text, here I will make it or I can choose another symbol like ghost symbol and click on this one, goes to word art and select it as on that option that it will come same, you have to let it do like this and enter OK in this way. So I will remove it, and this one I will go to insert word art and another way I will go to page layout, click on wrap text and insert on in front of text in this way. and with the help of arrows you can adjust it. So after this I will go to insert and select text box from shapes. First of all I will mark my name as is Altaf, and I will decrease the size like this one, and go to format shape fill with no fill, shape outline with no outline, and go to home and select font color this way. Now is your email address, another text box will be taken. Here you can mention your email address. So you can see it. So after this I will select it and decrease the size of it. In this way, go to format shape fill with no fill, shape outline with no outline, and after click on home select font color capital A and press bold. So now your address, so taken this one and enter your address like street number, house number, city name, and your country name. So after this I will go to home and decrease the size of this one like this, and place it to this, and go to format shape fill with no fill, shape outline with no outline, and select the color. Same this way. After this I will mention my cell number, in this way. So go to format shape fill with no fill, shape outline with no outline, and select color A. So here is my work done. After it I will choose an oval. So shape fill with more fill colors, or right click on it and format auto spicer. Okay, leave it. Shape fill with this one is nice. This is also nice. And now next step is to go to insert, click on clip arts and click buildings. So here there are clip arts of some buildings, so you can select your own. As I select this one, so I will choose this. Go to page layout, wrap text in front of text, and decrease the size of this one. And go to format picture border, and I will change the color of border in this way, and here I will mention about what is the identity or visiting credits. So I here writing some property dealer in this way. Go to home, click on bold, color will also be changed, and go to format shape outline with no outline. So here you can see this, how can I make this identity card in MS Word. So I hope that you enjoy it and like my videos. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.